Okay. Test. Ah, test. Hello, hello. Test. Hello. Let me check the audio. I hope it's good. Should be good, right? Okay, audio is good, but I do have some significant delay. It's like a 30 seconds delay, I guess, from what I say here until it reaches the stream. But that's fine. That's something I can handle. So yeah, I just wanted to come here live after quite a long time that I didn't do any live streams. So um, yeah, just want to talk a little bit about the trading, what's going on here in the account, and answer some questions if you have any questions. And yeah, looking or talking about the account, it's actually it's not going bad, I would say, even though this D40 trade will be stopped out in a second, I think. But overall, the account is not in a very bad uh, spot because we are still close to the all-time highs. We hit the all-time highs, I think, yesterday or the day before, which is really good. And now the account is still sitting at 32,500, which means the profit overall in this account is yeah, over 62,000, which is great. It's a really good profit. Yeah, today again, a lot of positions open, especially in the indices. And this is mainly coming from Go Long and Turnaround Tuesday, because Turnaround Tuesday strategy also opened positions yesterday in US Tech and D40. So this is where two of the positions coming from. Then of course Go Long is active in all of the indices, and also in D40 the range breakout trade is open, which yeah, as I said before, is very close to the stop loss, which is the break-even stop. It's one of the, I think it's in this account might be the only chart where I use it like some sort of trading stop. So yeah, these are basically all of the positions, and then there's only one more position in USDJPY, which is also a range breakout trade. This one is doing really good. It's like 2 times the risk in profit already, but it's still not enough to cover the losses that I already had in gold and GPUS dollar, which are, by the way, unfortunate losses, because right now it looks like both of these charts would recover. So yeah, this always sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. And yeah, so as always, you can write comments. I will read all of your comments in the chat. I will respond to them. I will try to answer if you have questions and if I'm able to answer. So yeah, there are some questions already. Leon is asking, what's your most profitable strategy? I don't know, just looking at the performance, probably Go Long, but it depends a lot on the period, of course, where I trade. And the indices were just going up the last month, so I don't know if it's a real something that I would trust on for the future. But if it's not the Go Long, then the next profitable would be the range breakout for sure. And more specifically, I think in USD/JPY I made most profits consistently. Then there's a question, a statement. We're waiting for the videos on the new prop firm. Next video will be up in 40 minutes, actually, at 5 p.m. My local time here. The next video will be up where I show how to set up or open the account, or like the profile with the fibers, and also how to log into the MetaTrader 5. And then I already recorded the next video, which will be published tomorrow. And in this video, I will show how to add a news filter to the range breakout EA, the expert advisor that I will use to trade this challenge. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, so you don't miss out any information on any video on the new prop firm challenge that I'm doing. And there's a question about the broker that I use. This account is with IC Trading. Yeah, you can see it here. Like the broker Capital Point Trading is the server that IC Trading uses. But if you want more information on my broker and everything, check out the description, the stream description, and you will learn more about it. And that's a question about the range breakout EA. Is the range breakout EA suitable for FTMO challenges? Yeah, of course. I mean, you can use it for any broker. I passed a lot of FTMO challenges with the range breakout EA, but always make sure to comply with all of the FTMO rules, because there's a high possibility that they will ban you if you use third-party EAs. So yeah, just make sure that you don't breach any rules. And is the range breakout EA available for us? Yes, it is. Also, you can find all of the links in the description of this stream. You can use the EA completely for free with my partner brokers. You can purchase them, my EAs on MQL5 if you want to use them with different brokers. So you have all of the possibilities. And yeah, just look at this gold, which is going again. It reached the top or the upper level of the range, which is super unfortunate because I just was stopped out with a 500 euro loss, and now all of this was recovered. But yeah, I mean, that's trading, right? So nothing I can do about it. Just bad luck, I would say. So yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to ask. I will answer all of your questions. I don't know how big I should make myself here. Maybe we should see the USD Japanese yen. This is statement, the most honest mentor in all time. I was having some issues, but he attended me to Instagram. Yeah, thanks for the feedback, but I'm not really a mentor. I would not say that. I'm just trying to trade myself and just trying to yeah, have fun with it. But I'm not giving trading advice or anything. If anything, I could be your programming mentor, but not for trading. Art of Life is saying the Fivers have very strict rules regarding profits and news. Will you make a tutorial? Yes, I will. Actually, I recorded it already and will be uploaded on the channel tomorrow. So yeah, make sure to tune in tomorrow for the video. And I will show how to use the Forex Factory website, which is the news website that the Fivers use also. I will show how to use this website and like get the data from the website into your expert advisor, and yeah, just use it as a news filter so you don't trade during news. I just realized my internet is not really strong here, unfortunately, which I think we are lagging a bit here. That's really bad. I think my Wi-Fi is not the best here. Yeah, which is really unfortunate. But I hope it's still okay. I mean, there might be some delay in the stream, but yeah, I hope not too much. I have a question. What are the parameters to buy? Is there a trend indicator or settings that you can share? Uh, I don't know when you should buy. I mean, listen to your heart, I guess. How can I know when you should buy? I cannot foresee the future. I cannot predict the future. That's why I say I'm not a trading guru, not a trading mentor. I cannot say when you should buy. Like what I personally do and what I would recommend is try to find some reliable strategies that that should be profitable in the long run, and you can figure this out by using backtests. In my opinion, that's the best thing we can do, because all we have is the past. So of course our decisions are based on the past and historical performance always. So that's what I would recommend. Like try to figure out or find some reliable strategies, backtest them for many years, and then use them in a live account and figure out if it's also working in a live account, and then you can make some profits. But yeah, as always, there's no guarantee for anything. But that's the most the best approach in my opinion. I just saw in the calendar that Trump will speak in 30 minutes. I don't know what his speech will be about, but yeah, as always, if he says some crazy shit, it can, of course, impact the market a lot. So in 30 minutes, there could be some volatility because of that. So yeah, let's see. Okay, you're asking about the go long strategy, if I use any filters for that. Personally, I don't. I just buy every single day in the morning. It's a very simple approach that I follow here, but yeah, I think it's logical, at least to me. Mm, yeah, so what else can I say here? I mean about the markets, not too much. I explained the positions. Like basically, I'm very heavy in the long positions in the indices. So let's hope that Trump doesn't that he doesn't fuck this up in 30 minutes. And then also this short position USD Japanese yen is going really good. Um, yeah, so it's 2.5 times the risk already, which is great. Very strong position again. But yeah, in general, USD Japanese yen is just so strong for a very long time already with the range breakout EA. I don't know why it is so reliable, but I mean I don't want to complain. It's really good. Yesterday was a win, the day before was a loss, the day before was a loss, the day before was a loss. I mean, we had some wins, but in general, it's performing a lot worse than it did in the weeks before. And we will also see this once I upload the performance review here on the channel for the last months. I will upload maybe probably on Friday or Saturday, I think. So then you will see which strategy exactly made the profit here in the months. I mean, for sure, the last month, like this September, was profitable. I don't know by how much, but we can also check it on the MQL5. If we just have a look at this, we can see it here. If we go to the balance, yeah, I mean, it was a 2,000 euro profit so far in this month, which is good. Yeah, here also we can see it very clearly. We are very close to the all-time highs again, which is great. So the account is doing really, really good. Whoopsala. But of course, thanks to the indices, of course, that are very yeah, positive. And there's some more messages now. Hello Rene, I've been following. What do you think about prop firm who offer instant funding? I don't know. I mean, it depends on the offer that they have, but in general, if they provide a one-step process, two-step process, or even instant funding, in the end, they will calculate it so that the prop firm always wins. So the prop firm always has the advantage, and most traders will lose with the prop firms, of course, because otherwise they could not make money in the long run. So that's what you always have to keep in mind. So always be careful with prop firms. I also right now have a little bit of a thing going on with FTMO, because unfortunately they terminated one of my accounts for whatever reason. I don't know the reason yet, but I will find out and then probably let you know on the channel. But yeah, for this reason, I'm not super hyped about prop firm trading at this moment. But still, I mean, of course, I will start this the Fivers challenge and everything and show you how I will approach this. But yeah, with prop firms, I don't have the biggest trust, and I'm personally, I want to be a bit careful with them. How are the stocks breakout trades doing? Not too well, not too well. It's not going too good with the stocks. Japanese yen is amazing. Yeah, it's crazy how good the performance is with the range breakout EA and UJ. GBP US dollar now also again above the range after stopping out my trade. That sucks. Range breakout EA isn't used on the Fiverr servers. I don't understand the question. I mean, most likely it is used because it's a very popular strategy and many traders use it. But I will also use it. But you will see on the channel in the next, if you watch the next videos. Yeah, I don't know if prop firms don't like EAs or if they just don't like profitable traders. I think in the end they will always try to find a reason to ban you if you're making too much money, because that's how prop firms work. Like if you profit a lot, then they don't make money. That's basically the business that they run. So yeah. Inventor Game ist asking, wie viele EAs hast du am Laufen? Aktuell nutze ich 4 verschiedene EAs. Glaube ich, ja. Wenn ich nichts vergessen habe. Now US30 is really coming down a bit. I'm not too sad about this because here I only have the range breakout trade. Would be more important that the German index goes up today with the 3 trades here. And also, of course, US Tech, because here I also have the trade from yesterday. What is my best EA? I answered this already. By just looking at the performance, it would be the go long strategy, but that's of course because in the time period where I traded it was very favorable market conditions for the strategy. And long term, I made most live trading profits with the range breakout EA otherwise, next to the go long strategy. Oh yeah, you can use my free range breakout expert advisor only with my partner brokers. So IC Markets, IC Trading, and XNES. And this DE40 day could still turn out pretty sweet because it was super close to getting stopped out, but it was not yet. Could still happen, but yeah, right now it recovered a bit and it's going up again, which is good. Let's see if it can stay like this. I mean, of course, all of these moves are really, really small and not really significant when it comes to profit, but still, it's always nice to not get stopped out. Do you go long also on DE40? Yes. I used to go long in DE40, US30, and US Tech right now. You can also read more about the strategies I use in the video description of this live stream. Du hast doch diesen Backtester. Wie viel Prozent war das höchste, was du jemals erreicht hast? Ja, diesen Backtester hat jeder. Der ist Teil vom MetaTrader. Kann jeder nutzen. Und im Backtest kannst du so viel Prozent machen, wie du willst. Das bedeutet aber nichts im Live-Betrieb. Ja, wie schon gesagt, im Tester kannst du so viel Prozent machen, wie du willst. Also ich kann dir jetzt einen Backtest zeigen, der 100.000 Prozent macht. Das ist ja, du kannst ja Curve fitten, wie du möchtest. Das hat überhaupt keine Aussagekraft, überhaupt keine Relevanz. Also macht einfach keinen Sinn. Also darum geht es auch nicht beim Testen, die maximale Prozentzahl zu erreichen. Why don't you collect EAs and strategies from your viewers and create a playlist where you show how to improve them? I don't know, because most of the strategies are bullshit. And it would be just, I mean, it would be an idea, of course, but I could just give some general recommendations, which I did already in a lot of videos, like don't go on the small time frames, don't use tight stops and targets and stuff like this, don't use very tight trailing stops. These are some general suggestions and things that improve almost every EA. But yeah, it's just really like a lot of work to develop strategies, and it's, I don't know if it's something I want to do at this point. But I was thinking about it actually before. But yeah, it's not like super simple. Like besides these generic recommendations that I just mentioned, like don't use tight stops, etc., etc. Besides this, it's not so easy to say what will improve strategy or expert advisor. You will just have to test a lot, like a lot. So if I would have to look at, or if I would look at strategies from others and find ways to improve them, it would take me a lot of time. And I don't think I want to spend this time doing it right now. I am 32 years old, so pretty old. And DE40 is looking really good right now. Also, US Tech looks really good right now. So if the indices can close strong today, which be another, it would be another huge boost for the account. Because I'm really heavy in these long positions right now. But as I said, also I think there's a Trump speech. At least that's what Forex Factory says in a couple of minutes. So this could mess up the whole trading day today if he is saying some stuff that is bad for my positions. But it could also be positive, of course. I mean, or maybe it doesn't have any effect at all. I don't really know what he wants to talk about, but yeah. Bald eine 4 davor. Ah, naja, ganz so schlimm ist noch nicht. Sensei, which platforms have decent prices for data and Forex or stocks to buy and test on Quant Connect? Oh, bro, you use so many words I don't understand. I don't know what Thata is. I don't know what Quant Connect is. Quant Analyzer. Okay, Quant Analyzer I know, but still I don't understand the question. What do you mean with decent prices? You mean for data? I just use the Quant Data Manager. It's very cheap. I think, yeah, you can use it for free, and the lifetime version is like 50 bucks, I think. So it's super cheap. Also linked below my videos. Yusuf also joined the chat. Hello, hello. Yeah, the trade in GBP dollar really sucks. Of course, it was in it was just stopped out, and now it's going in profit by quite a good amount already. So very unfortunate. Ah, yeah, data. If you're looking for data for backtesting, I would always use just the Quant Data Manager. Yeah. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I will be back. Uh, Inventor Game is asking, would you be able to build a better strategy if you could combine it with the volume trading charts? Yeah, maybe. But as you already said, it's not really possible in MT5 because we don't have volume. But I mean, many people are using volume. I think it makes sense because volume, of course, is relevant for price movement. But yeah, I cannot really do it in MT5, and I don't really know a lot about like volume trading because yeah, I just used MT5 and there we don't really have volume. So let's see how the markets will react in 5 minutes when the Trump is speaking. I still don't know what he wants to talk about, but will most likely have some effect on the markets. Hopefully positive. I mean, usually he's pro economy, I guess, so. And this USD Japanese yen trade again is just so freaking strong. I don't know what's going on with this chart. It's just constantly producing profits. It's amazing. Yeah, that's really cool. And also the USD Japanese yen trade will be closed in 2.5 minutes. I will not be sad if it closes at the exact same level where it is right now, because that's a very nice profit. Actually, it would cover all of the losses in GBP, US dollar, and gold, which is nice because these losses should sum up to around 750. Yeah, almost exactly. So that would be very sweet if USD Japanese yen could cover these losses with just one single trade. And right now it's looking like it would happen. But still, yeah, 2 minutes left for the USD Japanese yen trade. And I mean, it's still unfortunate that GBP US dollar and also gold would both be break even or profitable at this point. So it would have saved me 750. But I mean, in trading, we cannot talk like this. If we, yeah, if the stop loss was hit, then the trade is closed. Losses are realized, and then it's nothing you can do anymore. But still, it's of course sad. Um, but it's just what happens. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. Equity just went above 33K again, which is great. Now I'm just waiting for the 40 seconds here to be over, and then there should be this Trump speech. I don't know if it will be exactly at in 30 seconds, but maybe in the next hour there should be some impact because of this. Hmm. Yeah, so 10 seconds left until USD Japanese yen will be closed. It came back like 20 euro, but that's like nothing. So I'm really happy with how this trade was today. Really sweet profit. Yeah, as I said, it's covering the losses of GBP dollar and gold, which is great because both hit the stop loss. So really sweet profit in USD Japanese yen. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, like Forex Factory says, Trump is speaking now. I don't know if it's exactly at this time. Maybe also he will not say something relevant, but could move the markets, of course. So let's see. And yeah, there's a little discussion in the chat about some relationship issues, but I cannot really help with that. Just trying to teach programming and talk about trading on this channel. But yeah, by the time I am speaking, there should also be the next video about my the Fivers Pro project. So it should be up now. So you can watch this if you want to follow the project. And I think I will also end the stream soon here because we just saw the USD Japanese yen, and now not a lot is happening for the next minutes. So yeah, and also you can just watch the trades for the rest of the day, also in the other stream where I'm not talking, but still you can watch the trades. And one start with the Fivers, could you do a comparison with FTMO overall? Yeah, maybe I will do that. But also I have some other issues with FTMO at the moment because they are starting to terminate my accounts. They just terminated one of my accounts and I still don't know why. I'm still waiting for their explanation. But yeah, it's not going great with FTMO at the moment. So yeah, I have to see how this turns out. But yeah, okay guys, I'm out. I will just stop the stream. You can watch the trades in the other stream. Let's hope that the indices go up even more. Would be super sweet. But by the time I'm talking right now, the count is at a new all-time high, I think. At least looking at the equity, which is great. So it would be a very nice like end for the current trading months. So thanks for being here. Have a great time. Good trades. Bye-bye.